Now let's practice using the angle addition postulate. So let's look at number 5a. If P is in the interior of angle XYZ, so I'm going to sketch angle XYZ, and P is on the interior of this angle. If the measurement of XYP, so connect Y and P, is 25, and the measurement of angle PYZ is 50 degrees. What is the measurement of angle XYZ? So the whole angle. So the measurement of the whole angle XYZ is equal to the measurement of angle XYP plus the measurement of angle PYZ. So you see how the vertex is always in the middle? So the measurement of angle XYP is given to be 25 plus the measurement of angle PYZ is given to be 50. So 25 plus 50 is 75. So measurement of angle XYZ is 75 degrees. Now let's move on to 5b. If M is in the interior of angle RTD, so it's always good to sketch the angle, and M is in the interior. RTM, so let's connect T and M, is given to be 40 degrees. And the measurement of RTD, which is the whole thing, is given to be 65 degrees. Now they want the part, which is the measurement of angle MTD. So remember that the measurement of the whole angle RTD is equal to the measurement of angle RTM plus the measurement of the angle MTD. Now, angle RTD is given to be 65 degrees. RTM is given to be 40. And measurement of angle MTD is what's missing, and I need to find that. So what I need to do is subtract 40 from both sides, and I can find the measurement of angle MTD to be equal to 65 minus 40, and that is 25 degrees. So we can use the angle addition postulate to find parts if the whole is given. Now let's move on to 5C. If H is in the interior of angle EFG, so this is 5C, and I'm going to sketch an angle, which is EFG, and H is in the interior. EFH is given to be 75 degrees. So this is 75 degrees. So definitely these angles are not drawn to scale. And the measurement of HFG is 10x degrees. And the measurement of angle EFG, which is the whole thing, is given to be equal to 20x minus 5. So I'm asked to find x and then find the measurement of angle HFG. So first of all, I have to create an equation to help me find x. So the whole thing, which is 20x minus 5, is equal to the sum of the parts. So 75 plus 10x. Now I need to solve for x, so I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides to get all the x's on one side of my equation. 20x minus 10x is 10x. So 10x minus 5 is equal to 75. Now I need to move the 5 by adding it, so I do the opposite. So 75 plus 5 is 80, so 10x equals 80. To find x, I divide both sides by 10, so x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8. Now I need to find the measurement of angle HFG. HFG is given to be 10x. So 10 times 8 would give me 80 degrees. Now let's look at 5D. I'd like you to work this on your own, but I'd like to read it with you first. Lines DB and EC intersect in F. Okay, so it's shown in the figure over here. If the measurement of angle BFC, so this part over here, is 44 degrees. Now I just want to remind you that if you ever have X, then those angles are vertically opposite. So they're going to be equal angles. Remember that from the definition that we had in lesson 1-1 and 1-2. So BFC is given to be 44 degrees. And the measurement of angle AFB equal to 61. Now the first question, you're asked to find the measurement of angle AFC, so basically all of this. Then you're asked to find the measurement of angle AFE. So the hint to find this one is that, do you see angle DFB? This is a straight angle. So then the measure of all of this should be 180. So if this is 61 and this is 44 because of vertical angles, what do you think this is going to be? If all of this is 180 again, this is given to be 61, and this is equal to 44 because of vertical angles, how can I find that? Knowing that all of this is 180 because it's a straight angle. Now let's move on to EFD, which is something, again, I know because of vertical angles. Now for angle AFE, you could have also thought of this straight angle, EFC. Because it's a line, it forms a straight angle of 180. So I know all of this is 180. This part is 44. This part is 61. So what's left for this part? So I hope this is enough hint to help you find those angles.